How to buy Google Play gift cards online. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can buy Google Play gift cards online. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, what you have to do is open up your preferred browser in your device, head towards the search bar and search for Google Play gift card. Navigate towards the first link on your interface. Once you land on here, scroll down. And under the section here it says online or in-store. There you will see various trusted platforms from where you can buy the gift card. For example, if you tap on Amazon, that's gonna take you to its official website. And here you will see various cards that is available for you to buy. Make sure the card is available right here. And under this card, you will see the amount or the price for the gift card as well. Scroll down and select your preferred amount. After that, you can enter your recipient email address along with your name. So type in the recipient email address, and after that you can also add your gift messages. Type in your gift messages and then select your preferred delivery date. After that, there you will find an option as buy. Simply tap on buy, and then you have placed an order for the gift card and will be delivered to you. And that's how you can buy gift card online. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.